Welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm excited to dive into today's review. If you're looking for a space-saving solution to keep your salon or beauty station organized, the Noverlife Hair Salon Storage Tool Cart might be exactly what you need. Let's take a closer look at what this product offers and how it holds up in real-world use. This 6-layer salon cart measures 29.536 by 84.5 centimeters, offering substantial storage space. It comes with 2 tray holders on each side and 4 removable trays, providing ample room for organizing your tools and supplies. The high-quality plastic construction ensures durability, while its sturdy base and smooth rolling castors make it easy to move around your workspace without much effort. From the moment I set it up, I was impressed by the simple yet functional design. The assembly was straightforward, and once built, the cart moved effortlessly across the floor thanks to the 360-degree castors. It's designed to hold a variety of small tools, and the trays are deep enough to accommodate several items without them tipping over. The fact that the wheels don't pick up debris means the cart is always easy to push around, which is crucial in a fast-paced salon setting. Now, for the pros. The build quality of this cart is solid. It's lightweight but sturdy, and the plastic material doesn't feel flimsy at all. The removable trays are a huge plus. They allow for easy access to the tools you need and simplify workflow, especially during busy sessions. The wheels are smooth and glide effortlessly, so you can roll the cart wherever it's needed without worrying about it tipping over. Plus, it's easy to clean, which is important in any beauty-related product. On the flip side, while the design is great for most uses, some might find the tray space a bit too large if you only need to store a few items. The overall size might take up more space than you expect in smaller salons or beauty areas. Another downside is that the cart doesn't have any locking mechanism, so it might move around if you're working in a space with a lot of foot traffic. Is this review useful to you? If it is, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other salon owners or beauty professionals can find this video. When it comes to value for money, this tool cart does a pretty good job. Given its durable construction and the convenience it provides, the price seems reasonable for the quality and functionality offered. It might not be the cheapest option out there, but considering its sturdy build and smooth operation, it could be a worthwhile investment for professional use. Compared to other salon carts on the market, the Noverlife Hair Salon Storage Cart stands out with its high mobility and large capacity. Many similar models may offer similar storage, but they often lack the smooth rolling mechanism or the removable trays that make this one so convenient. However, if you're looking for something with additional features, like locking compartments or more specialized storage options, there are other carts that might better meet those needs. As for the build quality, the plastic material used in this cart feels tough and durable. There's no question that this cart can withstand the daily wear and tear of a busy salon environment. It's light enough to be moved around easily, but strong enough to hold heavy tools without bending or cracking. When it comes to customer support, I didn't need to interact with the company, but based on the design and ease of use, I'm confident that most people will find assembly and use a hassle-free experience. The brand has a reputation for creating practical products that meet everyday needs, so I don't foresee any major issues with reliability. If you're looking for an alternative, there are other salon carts available, but many tend to be pricier with additional features like more intricate compartments. If you don't need those extra features, this Noverlife cart offers great value. To wrap up, the Noverlife Hair Salon Storage Tool Cart is a well-designed, functional, and durable option for anyone needing a simple and effective storage solution for their salon or beauty space. It's easy to assemble, convenient to use, and offers plenty of room for tools. It may not have all the bells and whistles of higher-end models, but for the price, it delivers what it promises. Thank you for watching today's review. You can find the link to this product in the comments box below. If you already own the cart, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Until next time, keep your beauty space organized, and remember, when in doubt, Beautyistic's got you covered.